Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to show you how to hack the T-Rex game. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, please check it out. We're trying to grow, so every bit of help is welcome. Alright, let's start. So first of all, if you want to try these hacks immediately, but you don't want to switch your Wi-Fi on and off all the time, you can just go to this site. This is the exact dino game. Okay, now we can start with the hacks. Number 1 is arcade mode. It's very easy, you just have to do exactly what I do. You press Ctrl Shift plus Y all at the same time. Then you go to console and type this. Don't forget to press enter. It would normally look like this. When you use the site I said you can use before, then it already is arcade mode, so you don't have to use this hack. The next one is frozen time. For this one you need to type this. To leave the frozen time, you just type This one is useful to get a very high score, but I don't enjoy using this one. Now it's a nice one, invisibility. So again you just type what I type, and then you cannot get hit by anything. Alright guys, there is one hack left. And that is the gravity hack. So the gravity hack allows you to jump really high or not to jump at all. I'm gonna show you 2 of them. Alright guys, that was it. I hope I see you in the next video. If you want us to teach you how to do something, please leave a comment and we will do that next week.